winter of 1025 CE, the unthinkable happened. Mahmud of Ghazni desecrated the sacred Somnath temple, shattered the holy Shivling, and carried its broken fragments to Ghazni. One man traveled across India to seek justice, not for himself, but for his God, for his people, for his nation.
From the land of the rising Kaveri, from a dynasty of fire and devotion, rose a king whose name would be carved upon the ocean winds. Arul Moshivarman, the lion-hearted, the temple builder, the conqueror of seas. The world knows him as Raja Raja Chola, the king of kings.
சேர்க்கும் வீர மாறா காதல் மாற பூவோர் ஏங்கும் வீர பாவோர் போற்றும் வீர உரைவாழரை தாங்க பருதோள் புவி தாங்க பலவாயமையாள வருவாய் களம் ஏற ஆயிரம் வேளம் போல போர்க்களம் சேரும் சோழ வேணா ராஜ ராஜ வாராய் வாகை சூழ வீரா ராஜ வீர சூரா வீர சூரியர் கானம் பாட கணிகைய நடனமாட பாவையர் புலவை போட பரிதேர் சகடமாட கரைமேல் கதிரை போல விளங்கிடும் மருமதேவர் படையணி பெருமை சாற்ற புலவர்கள் தமிழும் வீரும் கடமேல் புயலை போல கலங்கள் நிறைந்து பாய மன்னலை சீராட்ட தென்புலம் ஏகும் வீர வீரா ராஜ வீர சூரா தமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க வீர சோழம் வாழ்க நற்றமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க நல்லோர் தேசம் வாழ்க தமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க வீர சோழம் வாழ்க நற்றமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க நல்லோர் தேசம் வாழ்க வீரா.
Under his reign, temples rose like hymns carved in stone, and an empire stretched beyond rivers, forests and mountains to the very heart of the ocean. And from this ocean-born might, he forged an elite force, 5 warriors, 5 legends, 5 flames of Dharma.
If you attack our mother India, if you desecrate our gods, we will avenge. Our gods will return, for we Indians will bring them back. Emperors, one noble mission. This is not just a mission. This is a sacred war, a Dharmyudh. 5 warriors from across India, bound not by blood, but by purpose. Their goal, assassinate Mahmud, reclaim the divine, restore honor.
A Tamil warrior of fire, a Gujarati merchant of wits, a humble devotee of pure heart, a scholar emperor guided by wisdom, and Rajendra Chola, the son who carried the roar of his father. They swore an oath. We will restore Somnath. We will return the sacred Linga. We will rebuild what evil tried to erase.
The Indians have long memories. We will remember. We will wait, but we will avenge.
The time will be of our choosing. The place will be of our choosing. But we will avenge.
Across kingdoms they journeyed, through deserts, forests, and treacherous seas. Not for conquest, but for dharma. They fought like thunder, moved like lightning, every strike a promise, every shield a prayer.
நக தள்ளாடிட தள்ளாடிட வாடா தோழா இக பரசுகம் எல்லாம் இதா இன்னாதிதா ஆன மண்ணில் தித்தான விண்ணாடு கொடி மேல் தித்தான மரசம் துடடா மரடா இவன் பயணம் இனி ஓயாதே ஆளை எடு நடடா நடடா பிடித்த புலி ஓயாத முக நக தள்ளாடிட தள்ளாடிட வாடா தோழா இக பரசுகம் எல்லாம் இதா இன்னாதிதா ஆசை தீதா.
From blood and sacrifice, hope rose. From ruin and despair, faith bloomed. The sacred linga, lost and broken, was found, protected, honored. Stone by stone, hand by hand, heart by heart, the temple rose again. Because dharma can be wounded, but it can never be destroyed.
పడి తలపడి వడి వడి త్వరపడి వస్తున్నా ఏదేమైనా సిగముడి విడిచిన శిఖరపు జల సిరిధారల్ని జటాజూటంలా ఢీకొని సవాలని తెగించి నీ వైపు దూసుకొస్తా.
They were not just warriors, they were guardians of the sacred. They were the roar of 1,000 prayers. They were the Chola tigers. And because of them, the temple stands, the linga shines, dharma lives.
Utsara, Stiraga.